However, there's a bit of a problem with our Mark II Ford Focus. So it turns out that if somebody, who shall remain nameless, leaves the dash cam plugged in to the cigarette lighter, which is down there, for a whole week without starting the car, then funny enough, the battery goes flat and the car doesn't want to start. So all you get is a strange noise and some peculiar flicking down there on the screen. Oh dear. So there's the battery. I've tested it with the multimeter and indeed a proper battery tester, and on both machines it's reading as very flat and very unhealthy. So I've put it on charge. There's a charger and we'll see what happens, but I don't feel overly optimistic because I don't think it's actually taking a charge. And of course, if the battery won't take a charge, we'll have to buy a new one. And I've had a quick look online, and for this car, they seem to cost between about 80 and 120 million pounds because inflation is very high in the UK. Ouch. Still, there is someone who doesn't seem overly concerned. He just wants to chase his tennis ball.